Nasal strips are nasal strip featured two flexible spring-like pieces gently lift upward the congested nasal passages, and especially adhesive makes the strip stick on the nasal bridge comfortably and tightly. Special design helps to expand the nose channel and enlarge ventilation or reduce or mitigate the degree of snoring, improving sleep quality. Two sizes of 6.6 x 1.9 cm and 5.5 x 1.6 cm for you to choose. The OEM ODM service are available as well. This package is 10 pieces per bench, 3 benches per box.